Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to fix insufficient funds in Etoro. Now this problem is basically related to your deposits, so deposit more money via the deposit funds. So this is something that's related basically to your money that exists in your accounts. Now if you do think that you have enough money in your account and you still have this problem, then that's basically maybe related to their side, not from your side. So go to this page called citus.etoro.com and basically check for any problem related to their servers. Any problem could cause the issue to be apparent to you. No matter what issue, it could be explained in here and when it could probably be fixed. As of today's video, I'm recording now in 19th of February. There is no problem at the moment, so everything looks good. Now, what if the problem still persists after the system has been fixed? Well, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure that you have enough funds for the operation that you are willing to do. The second thing, in case you didn't have enough funds, because you're not only paying for example, when you're trying to buy something, you're not going to buy it itself alone. In fact, you are going to buy it, plus you are going to pay some fees. So you need to have enough money for both fees and the assets or EFT that you are going to buy. So make sure you always have yourself enough funds. For those who doesn't know how to deposit money, simply click on this blue button right here, click on deposit funds, choose your favorite payment method, and simply fill out the information and the amount that you want to deposit. And yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video guys. If you still have any problems related to that, well, I will highly recommend you to go to help and resources and basically get in touch with their support team. But overall, this step that I've shown you in this video should be enough for you to fix the issue. And yeah, thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.